Hello everyone, welcome back to our Know About PPC YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to create audiences in Google Analytics 4. In this video, I am covering a few key points to create audiences in GA4. First, create a custom audience. Use events, dimensions, and metrics to create audiences. Additional way to create an audience in exploration segments. Create events using members of audiences if needed. Measure the data of the created audience in 3 ways. Connect GA4 and Google Ads. At last, use GA4 audiences in campaigns. Let's check one by one. First, let's create a custom audience. Go to Admin. Click Audiences. As default, these 2 audiences have automatically been created. Click the New Audience button. Here, we have an audience suggestion to consider as a reference. Mostly, these filters are only used for e-commerce website audiences. If you choose one of them, pre-fill some conditions in your audience. Like, if you choose purchasers, it will pre-fill the following conditions as recommendations, where we can use the audience accordingly. Now, we are using a static website. To create an audience for a static website, click Create a Custom Audience here. You can publish a maximum of 100 audiences to analytics. Enter a name and description for the audience. This name and description let you identify the audience in the future. By default, audience membership duration is 30 days. If you want, you can change based on your needs. The maximum duration is 540 days. Click Add a new condition to add users. Here, you can see the 3 filters to create an audience: events, dimensions, and metrics. Audiences will be constantly populated when they meet these criteria in this section. Also, click this icon over here. You have 3 options for choosing the sessions. Choose any of these if you want to target them. To target users across the sessions, set Across the Section option. To target users only within the same sessions during the lifetime, set Within the same session. And to target users who are in a single event, set Within the same event option. Click the new condition here, and choose one of your segments as a wish to target audiences. I am choosing the page location on the dimension segment of those who are visiting this page at any point in time. Also, if you want, you can add multiple segments using and or logic to target an audience like city, country, devices, and so on. Since this is a new website, I didn't have enough data to summarize. Then, exclude specific users from the audience during periods when they meet the condition. If they meet this condition, they will not be included in this audience. Also, if you are running an e-commerce business, you can additionally add this sequence for your audience: who lands on specific product orders within a specific period with our purchasing. You can retarget them through paid trade ads to purchase the order. Once you created the audience, click Save on top. Things to note down. 2 things we must note down while creating an audience. One is, created audiences cannot be retroactive, which will not show your past data based on the conditions you enter. It will collect the data from the first. Another is that you can't edit the conditions once you have created the audiences. Only able to edit a title and description. Okay. We just saw one way to create an audience. We also have another way to create an audience in exploration segments. To create an audience in another way, go to Explore. Click plus icon. Click User Segment. Name the audience. It's the same step that we did last. Add conditions. Choose page location. Don't forget to enable this to build an audience. And set membership duration as your wish. Then, click Save and Apply. Once you have saved, go to Admin. Click Audiences. You can see the audiences created through exploration. We can create events automatically from our created audiences by using audience triggers. When a visitor triggers as an audience, it will generate an event automatically. And you can mark that event as a conversion if needed. But this is optional. You can create if needed. If you want to create, click Create New. And create an event name here for this audience. We can analyze our data in 3 ways. Click on the created audience here. You will see the dashboard view of the particular audience. Another way to analyze our audience is go to Reports. Click Report Snapshot. Click Comparison. Choose the audience name on the dimension. Exactly matches. Choose our audience that we have created now. Click Apply. You can see the comparison of all users and the custom audience. Now, data will not show up since our audience is newly created. You should wait for the next day to start seeing the data in your report. Another way. Go to Explore. And click on the free form. Click the plus icon on Dimension. Search audience name and choose it. You can see the audiences with metrics that you have created till now. Also, we have one more way to analyze the audience. If you have created the event trigger while creating the audience, you can see the count and session in the event section here. Now, let's link Google Analytics with Google Ads. To do that, you should have a Google Ads account. The benefit of doing this: you can import and target the GA4 audience in Google Ads while running ads. Go to Admin. Click Google Ads Links. And click the Link button. Choose a Google Ads account here. Choose your account. And click Confirm. Check the configure settings. Review it. And then click Submit. Alright. We have successfully linked Google Analytics with the Google Ads account. Now, let's check our GA4 audience in Google Ads that we have created now. Go to Google Ads account. Go to Tools and Settings. Click Audience Manager. You can see the GA4 audience in this place. So we can use this audience to target while running ads. I will quickly show you. In the previous, I covered a whole video of creating the search campaign in Google Ads. Go and watch it. So you can target the audience in this section while creating the campaign. Alright. We have successfully created the audience in GA4 and used that in the Google Ads account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.